Welcome back to Passport Prep, your go-to guide for all things travel. Whether you're traveling for the first time or you're a seasoned adventurer, today's episode is going to be an absolute game changer. We'll be talking about how to use artificial intelligence, yes, AI, as your ultimate travel tool to enhance your experiences and make your trip smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. From planning your trip to navigating a new city, to finding hidden gems, AI is revolutionizing how we travel. And we're here to show you how you can tap into its incredible power. But first, subscribe to our channel, Larry Ulrich, the spot for culture, film, and travel around the world. Let's start with the AI-powered travel planning phase. Gone are the days of endless hours searching the web for the best flights, hotels, and itineraries. Today, AI tools can do much of the heavy lifting for you. For example, AI-driven travel platforms like Google Flights and Skyscanner use sophisticated algorithms to analyze millions of data points, helping you find the best flights at the lowest prices. They can even predict when prices are likely to drop or rise, so you can make the most informed decision on when to book your ticket. But it doesn't stop there. AI travel assistants like Kayaks Explorer or Hopper can help you create an itinerary by analyzing your preferences, past travel history, and budget. These tools consider factors like how long you want to travel, your preferred destinations, and even specific interests like food tours or adventure activities, suggesting personalized itineraries that save you time and energy. AI doesn't just tell you where to go, it helps you decide when the best time to visit is based on historical data such as weather trends, peak seasons, and even events or festivals. This means you can plan around the best possible experience for your trip, whether that's avoiding the crowds at the Louvre in Paris or catching cherry blossom season in Japan. Next up, AI for language translation. Let's talk about one of the biggest hurdles for many travelers, the language barrier. We've all been there. Trying to navigate a foreign country when you don't speak the language can be daunting. Luckily, AI has a solution for that too. Apps like Google Translate or iTranslate are powered by advanced AI algorithms, allowing real-time translation of signs, menus, or conversations. These tools can detect dozens of languages and translate them in real time. For instance, you can point your phone's camera at a menu or street sign, and the app will instantly translate it into your preferred language. This feature alone can be a lifesaver in situations like ordering food, asking for directions, or even bargaining at local markets. AI-powered translation has grown so accurate that it can now even provide contextual translations, taking into account idiomatic expressions or regional dialects that might otherwise be confusing. Additionally, if you find yourself in a conversation where you don't speak the local language, AI-powered tools like Microsoft Translator offer speech-to-speech translation. You simply speak into your phone, and it will instantly translate your words into the local language, with the ability for the other person to respond and be translated back. This makes communication smoother and less stressful, especially in countries where English isn't widely spoken. Next, AI for navigation and transportation. Getting around a new place, especially a big bustling city, can be one of the most overwhelming aspects of travel. But with AI-powered navigation tools, it doesn't have to be. Google Maps, for example, has become even smarter with AI integrations. Not only can it give you turn-by-turn directions, but it also predicts traffic patterns, road closures, and even the busiest times at certain tourist attractions. AI is now helping travelers avoid traffic jams, detours, and overcrowded sites. And then there's City Mapper, an AI-driven app that helps you navigate public transportation systems across the world. Whether you're taking a subway in New York, a bus in London, or a tram in Amsterdam, City Mapper provides the most efficient routes, estimated arrival times, and even lets you know if your bus or train is delayed in real time. When it comes to air travel, AI can also streamline your airport experience. AI-powered apps like TripIt keep all your travel details organized, from your boarding pass to your hotel reservations. TripIt uses AI to update you in real time on any changes to your flight, such as gate changes, delays, or cancellations, and can suggest alternative routes if your flight gets disrupted. Now, let's get to the fun part. AI for finding hidden gems and local experiences, exploring and discovering hidden gems that aren't always found in your average travel guide. AI has totally changed the game when it comes to uncovering off-the-beaten-path experiences. Travel platforms like Airbnb have AI algorithms that learn your preferences over time, based on past stays, activities, and searches. These tools can recommend local experiences tailored to your interests, whether you're into food tours, nature hikes, or artistic workshops. Similarly, apps like Yelp or Google's AI-driven Explorer feature analyze thousands of local reviews, suggesting the best restaurants, bars, or activities based on real-time data and user preferences. Say you're in Barcelona, AI can help you find that tiny tapas bar hidden in an alleyway that only the locals know about, or the art gallery that's having a secret exhibition. AI isn't just making travel easier, it's making it richer by connecting you to more authentic, personalized experiences. Perhaps one of the most exciting ways AI is improving travel is through personalized travel suggestions. By using machine learning, AI tools like Google Discover or Pinterest are constantly analyzing the types of destinations, activities, and experiences that interest you. They can serve up personalized travel articles, destination guides, and even suggest where you should go next based on past searches, bookings, and interactions. For example, if you've been searching for winter getaways or researching ski trips, AI might suggest destinations like the Swiss Alps or Aspen, complete with accommodation suggestions, activity itineraries, and the best times to visit. AI systems learn your preferences, becoming smarter with every interaction, making the recommendations more tailored and specific to your tastes. In today's world, AI is revolutionizing the way we travel. From planning and booking to exploring and navigating, AI tools are here to make your adventures smarter, easier, and more personalized. As technology continues to advance, we'll only see more ways in which AI can enhance our travel experiences, making every journey more enriching and less stressful. So, whether you're a digital nomad, an occasional traveler, or someone planning their first international trip, don't hesitate to embrace AI as your ultimate travel companion. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Larry Ulrich, the spot for culture, film, and travel around the world. Safe travels, and see you in the next episode.